Will higher testosterone levels, 800 instead of 400 total, give going from 400 to 800, I don't think will make that much of a difference. If a guy is really, really deficient in testosterone and gets on TRT and was meant to have, facial hair, had he had normal levels of TRT, it might occur at that point. Gil, 400, going from 400 to 800, is it really going to make a difference in facial hair?
It's going to be genetically predisposed. Depends on the individual. We got guys who are relatively normal T levels, and they seem to be hairier than others. I don't happen to be a hairy guy overall because maybe I have thinner hair follicles, but I do tend to grow fairly quickly. I mean, I shaved at 8 a.m. this morning, but realistically, no, this is about 3.5 weeks in. I mean, my beard grows fairly quickly. I think it's more genetic, but yeah, it certainly does increase the rate. My hair and my facial hair and body hair does grow a lot faster ever since I've been on androgens compared to before. But I think it's more to do with DHT, and I think, again, it's going to be a little more genetic. And some people just have coarser hair than others. And I really wouldn't worry about it. I mean, I don't know if he's trying to prevent this from happening or if he wants to grow faster. That is not the reason to get on T, and that is not the reason to mess with your doses. So I think it's more of just a question for the sake of knowing. But I wouldn't tell somebody, hey, let's judge your T based on your facial hair.
No, exactly. So the guy asking the question, if you've got, just use the sake of example, you've got very, very little facial hair, and you're scoring at total of 400, and you say, maybe I get on in TRT and I'll get 800 and I'll get hair, you might get your T levels to 2000 and still not have any facial hair if that's what your genetics dictates. So keep that in mind.